you're wondering, what is a social media marketing agency? What is SMMA? Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. My name is Jonathan. If you guys are brand new here, go ahead and give this video a like. Go ahead and subscribe. You know how the deal is. We post a video every single day, at least for the rest of the 90-day challenge. I think I'm falling in love with the whole content creation type of thing. So I might be posting every day for the rest of the year. No promises though. So make sure you go ahead and give that video a like and go ahead and subscribe. And comment down below, what is your biggest question when it comes to social media marketing agency? Now guys, in today's video, we're gonna go ahead and discuss what is SMMA. Like, what is it? I'm pretty sure you guys already know what that stands for. It stands for Social Media Marketing Agency. We're also going to talk about who is an SMMA for, why I think you guys should start a social media marketing agency, and what are the proper steps to go ahead and actually start one successfully. So other than that, let's go ahead and get started with today's video. So SMMA stands for, obviously, Social Media Marketing Agency. Now, when this first got started back in 2016, I think 2015, 2016 type of thing, you know, Tai Lopez was kind of the one that kind of created the SMMA industry, those words, right? He's the one that kind of created that. Now, it has changed tremendously because when he first created it, it was really about social media marketing. It's like running someone's Instagram, running someone's Facebook, running someone's LinkedIn, running someone's YouTube channel, and all of that stuff. That was like the typical social media marketing. But now everything has evolved a little bit. Now it's not so much of social media, but it has turned more into a digital agency, right? So a lot of people don't even run a typical social media marketing agency, which they're creating content for other brands, which I'm pretty sure you guys still can do. I know there's a lot of agencies that are extremely successful by creating content for other businesses. Now, a lot of people have evolved more into a digital agency by running Facebook ads, Google ads, and paid traffic. Now, if we compare this to a traditional marketing agency, this is where you're going to see the biggest benefit of a digital agency or an SMMA. It's because the traditional marketing agencies are like what you see in Mad Men, right? Like those big firms with suit and ties, whole bunch of employees, which is sometimes I aspire to have something like that in my business in the near future. I aspire to have an office and be able to go in and create a digital type of agency with what I know now with my digital agency. That's sometimes I aspire to have that, but sometimes I aspire to have the world as my office. I aspire to stay lean and not have to worry about employees, not have to worry about paying for insurance and health and all of that stuff that I have to do with a traditional agency. You see the biggest differences here. With a digital agency, it's usually you and another team member or maybe two other team members, and that's it. And you guys make, you know, $50 to $60 or $100,000 per month, and you guys keep 80% profit. And that's the benefits of starting a digital agency or starting an SMMA, is because of the profit, how much you can actually make per client and how much profit you can actually take. The profit margins are so big when it comes to a marketing agency and your SMMA, and that's why it's such an attractive business model. Now, if you guys are just thinking about starting an SMMA, if you guys are thinking about, you know, just starting a digital agency just in general, now let me go ahead and tell you some services that you can actually provide as a SMMA or as a digital agency. You can go ahead and provide content creation on social media. That is one of the most common ones, and that's how this whole industry began, by creating just content, running someone's, you know, Facebook page, running someone's Instagram page, and creating the content for that client. You can go ahead, this usually saves your client time, so it's more about convenience-based offers than anything. So you can go ahead and charge anywhere from $500 to, you know, $1,000, $1,500 per month, but you can't really charge $5,000, $3,000, $4,000 per month in this service. Why? Because they can easily just hire someone else to do it for them at a cheaper cost. So this is why it's a convenience-based offer, because you're saving them time, so they don't have to worry about creating the content, because that's what they're going to hire you for. Now, another service you can go ahead and provide is, for example, paid advertising. This is probably one of the most common services for a digital agency, because this is more of a result-based offer. So you're saying, hey, we're going to go ahead and run your ads. I'm not going to go ahead and create content from you. All I'm going to do is run ads for your brand, and in return you're going to go ahead and see a positive return on investment. For example, let's say you spend $1,000 on ads and you make them $5,000. Now you can go ahead and probably charge a little bit more. If you have those small returns, you probably can't charge too much, because you also have to add your fees. So in reality, they paid you, let's say you charge $2,000 per month and they have a $2,000 ad spend. So in reality, they spend $4,000 that month. So you want to make sure they're getting at least 3x return on that money. So for example, if they're giving you $4,000 per month, you want to make sure the minimum you give them back is at least $12,000. And the reason why you want to go ahead and maintain that 3 3x return on investment, because that's what I found out, that clients will still maintain paying you and will still maintain happy with your services. If you drop lower than that, then it's really not worth their time, because they probably can do that themselves and achieve better results than you can. So you want to make sure you're achieving at least 3x return on ad spend, especially when it comes to running paid advertisement for clients. Now, another service that you can start as a digital agency is SEO, search engine optimization, right? This is a service that local businesses definitely need for their business, especially when they search up, hey, dentist near me. They want to be the first person to appear at the top of the search results. This is a valuable service that local businesses are desperately need. Now guys, there's so many other services that you can go ahead and do. For example, email marketing. Email marketing is a perfect example of a service that you can really go ahead and master and really focus on. And you can charge a lot of money because you're not actually spending any money in advertisement. You're creating them email sequences, which is going to create them profit because they already have those emails. They already have those emails collected, and they already have a way to collect the emails. So now you're creating email sequences and taking advantage of that big email sequence that they might have in their backend that they're probably not even using. You don't know how many times I come across brands that have a huge email list that they don't even know what to do with it, right? I was working with a brand that has a 300,000 email list, and they had no idea what to do with that email list. We just literally created some email sequences, and they started generating an extra $30,000 per month just from their email sequences. So guys, email marketing is such a powerful service that you can go ahead and offer for your SMMA or your digital agency. Another tip that I want to go ahead and give you guys, if you guys are thinking about starting an SMMA or for your SMMA/digital agency, is that you want to go ahead and pick an industry. You want to make sure you're picking an industry and picking one service. We're already talking about what services you can offer. Now go ahead and pick an industry that you want to go ahead and offer the services to. You want to make sure you're only picking one. For example, if you want to go ahead and be the content creator for real estate agents, that's a perfect niche. If you want to be the content creator for dentists, that's a perfect niche as well. So you can go ahead and brand yourself as the content creator for dentists, or you can brand yourself as the content creator for real estate agents. Also, if you want to do paid advertising, you can do the same thing. Hey, we run paid ads for dentists, we run paid ads for real estate agents, we run paid ads for chiropractors. Then start branding yourself like that, because like that, more chiropractors will start knowing about you. The more you brand yourself as the chiropractor marketer, more people will know you as the chiropractor marketer, and you will start attracting your ideal client. So guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys kind of understood what SMMA is, how to what services you can go ahead and pick, and what industries you can go into. Just think about what you're really passionate about. Think about what you wanted to do when you were younger. If you wanted to do a dentist, then pick dentist, because you will understand the industry as well. Now, I created a more in-depth video about how you guys can go ahead and start a social media marketing agency, so I'll leave that on top right here. I think it will be right here, so you guys can go ahead and check that out. And other than that, thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll talk to you guys later.